Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO X9 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now the video title probably says SIM and SD card, but this device, let's be honest, doesn't have SD card support. It's just kind of how it's named right here, but I don't have control over that, sorry if I misled you. Now for SIM purposes, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, and you can find it somewhere in the box in which the device came in. It's going to be usually between some paperwork, but if you can find it, what you could also do is use a paperclip, extend on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, as long as it doesn't have that plastic wrapping, if it does, you can just cut it off. From there, pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device, or right over here, and you want to insert it into this cutout right here where we have it. There we go, near the corner. Push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. And on the tray you will have space for two different SIM cards. It also tells you that SIM 1 is face to screen, and the bottom one doesn't have anything like this, it just says SIM 2. Now, which one you use, SIM 1 or 2, actually does matter right here. So with the now devices using eSIM as well, the bottom tray, which is always going to be labeled as SIM 2, the bottom tray can be deactivated if you chose to enable your eSIM. I don't mean add it, just if you enabled it in the settings that you could add it, as it's a toggle, this tray becomes deactivated. So it's interchangeable. You can either use a physical card or eSIM, but you can't use both. For this purpose, you would need to occupy the SIM tray number 1, and then the tray number 2, you could add eSIM instead. Anyway, let's grab our card and clip it onto the tray. Now you do want to just kind of, clip it in there. There are retention brackets, and the card should not be falling out of the tray if you flip it upside down. And from there, just insert it back into your device, and the card should start working right away. Any moment now. There we go. So I'm going to confirm my SIM card pin. And this unlocks it, and I'm good to go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.